Good morning, students. Now let us continue the cold weather season. Last time we discussed that the Indian Meteorological Department have divided into the four zones, that is according to the climate of India, the four seasons. The cold weather season, that is called winter, and in India it lasts from December to February. In India, the 3 months duration from December to February is considered as winter, जो अभी चल रहा है, right? Sun shines vertically over the southern hemisphere between 22nd December September to 21st March. India is situated in northern hemisphere, so it is under the influence of slant sun rays between December to February. Means आड़े सूरज की किरण पड़ती है, सीधी नहीं पड़ती है. So it is under the influence of slant rays between December to February and low temperature prevails. Winds blow from northeast direction from Central Asia. These winds are dry and cold. So weather also remains dry and cold. The sky during this season generally remains clear, means cloudless. Northwest India remains comparatively cooler as it is far away from the sea and some part of it is desert. During winter, this region develops high pressure and this deflects the winds. Dry and cool winds are generated due to high pressure. These winds reduce the temperature of places over which they blow. In Delhi, the temperature often goes below 10 degrees Celsius during winter and it remains around 60 degrees Celsius in Allahabad and 18 degrees Celsius in Kolkata. At this time, the temperature in Himalayas is much less. The January temperature of Shimla, Darjeeling, these are the hill stations, you know about it, is around 5 degrees Celsius. After the snowfall in Himalayas, the cold and heavy winds rush towards the North Indian plains. As a result, this plain along Gujarat and Rajasthan are under the grip of cold wave. Temperature decreases suddenly. Frost in some area that destructs the cotton crop. Temperature does not fall below freezing point. During winter, except for high mountainous regions, because the central Himalayas obstruct the extremely cold winds coming from Central Asia and protects India from severe cold. तो हिमालय है जो भारत का ताज है, जो हमें इन ठंडी हवाओं से बचाता है. Conditions in South India during winter are different from these North India. You know that South India is surrounded by sea from 3 sides. South India is situated in torrid zone near the equator and has a peninsular shape. Its interior area is not very far from sea coast. So this area does not feel severe cold as the northern India during winter there is no snowfall. Temperature also does not go down very low. For example, the temperature of Kochi during January is around 26 degrees Celsius, Madurai 25 degrees Celsius, Chennai 24 degrees Celsius. But the mountainous area in South India feel low temperature. Temperature decreases towards the north and in India, winter is considered to be very pleasant and healthy season. Due to longer and cooler nights, dew and fog are common in early morning. अपने झाकड़ पड़ती है ना सुबह में उठते हैं तो. Then day is shorter and night is longer. In winter, the dry winds coming from over land mass generally do not bring the rains, but northeast winds coming over from Bay of Bengal contain humidity. These winds give more rainfall over the Coromandel coast. Northeast gets some rainfall due to the western disturbances and thunderstorms. This rain is very useful for the Rabi crop in Punjab and Haryana. These winds give rain in Gujarat occasionally. कभी कभी आपको पता है दिसंबर जनवरी में बारिश होती है. And the unseasonal rain in Gujarat is locally called Mauthu. Mauthu means unseasonal rain. Means rain का season होता नहीं है but बारिश होती है. That occurs in Gujarat sometimes in winter season. Okay, today we complete this winter season. Then next time we will take the summer season.